Want to create powerful automations in seconds without writing a single line of code? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Power Automate Copilot to build flows faster than ever before. Whether you are a complete beginner or just curious about how AI fits into Power Automate, you are going to love this. And if you want to go even deeper, I have got a full course lined up for you. But first, let's dive into the demo. So this is one of the most interesting video of this course. Here we will create flow using Copilot. Going forward, this will be the most preferable method where people will create flow in future. So one thing to note is, so Copilot is a new technology and it's in preview mode. You can't 100% rely on Copilot outcomes, but it will complete your 80% of the work in most of the cases. Also, you need to review your flow which is generated by Copilot before you activate it in your environment. So as discussed earlier, you can create flow either from this home page, so where you have an option to provide the prompt here, okay, or you can click on create and use this option, describe it to design it. So both turns out to the same, okay. So I'll use this home option. So here we need to provide the prompt. So what I want to do is, so when a new entry is created in Microsoft Form, so if the rating is less than 3, it should send a message to the team. Okay. So we have done this exercise earlier. So let's see how we can achieve that using Copilot. So let me write a prompt over here. Create a flow that sends a message to Microsoft Teams when a new response is submitted in Microsoft Form and the rating is less than 3. So create a flow that sends a message to Microsoft Teams when a new response is submitted in Microsoft Forms, okay, and the rating is less than 3. Full stop. Let's click on generate. So finger close, working on it. Okay. So if you like this AI generated suggestion, choose keep it and continue to complete the configuration. Okay. So when a new form is submitted, good. Get response details. Okay. Then it's a condition and post message in a chat or channel. Okay. So it seems good. So when form response is submitted, it will get the response details from form, and in the condition it will check whether rating is 3 or less and post message in chat or a tip. Okay. Keep it and continue. Review your connected apps and service. Okay. So a green signal means the connection is ready to go. Perfect. Microsoft, it needs connection with the Microsoft Forms and Microsoft Teams. Okay. And both are connected. All right. So in case it's not connected for you, so you can go ahead and there will be option for sign in and just sign in with your account. So once it will be connected, you will see this green icon over here. Okay. So I am good. So let's create flow. Oops. Invalid parameter. Okay. Condition. All right. So let's see what's there in invalid parameter. Okay. So it's unable to pick the form. Okay. So let me give him the form. Customer feedback form. Okay. So this error has gone. So get response details. Okay. Let me provide you the form. So it's automatically pick the response ID. Okay. Then it's a condition when body rating, okay, is less than 3. So if you remember, the rating is in the string format. So it's typecast this side as a string instead of this one. Okay. Okay. So let's do that. And the post message in a team, flowbot, chatbot. So it forgot to enter the recipients. A new message has been submitted, rating is less than 3. Okay. This part it's left. So switch to advanced mode. So let me change that. Go celebrate. Click save. Okay. Flow is ready. We recommend you to test it. Perfect. Okay. The customer feedback form. Enter your name. Let me add Nancy. Email address nancy@gmail.com. In the rating, I'll provide 1. Poor service. Okay. Let's submit it. Form is submitted. Go back. So let's see why this form get failed. Okay. So click on here. condition failed, unable to process template language, condition 0, column 0. Okay. So null and the string that doesn't match. Okay. So this is the error condition. Let's ask Copilot to fix that. Can you typecast rating into integer before comparing with rating values? Okay, it's not time to let me do that. Let's edit. So what it does is here it has mentioned this code here. It should mention it in the expression. Okay, so I'll add that in the code. And rating. Okay, click on add. Okay, is less than 3. So I don't need that. Click on save. Copilot flow demo. Okay, save it. So you can see Copilot has done most of the tasks, but still there are some error which it is unable to solve. Okay, so we need to do that manually. Okay, so let's try to test it again. So let's submit the form here. Submit another response. Customer name Lily. Email address lily@gmail.com. Not satisfied. Submit. Response submitted. Okay, I got the message. I don't with rating less than 3. This is perfect. Let's go back. Okay, this time it succeeded. Okay, perfect. So this time it runs well. Green and the true condition. Okay, so this one is perfect. So that's great. You can see with very little effort we have created the flow with the help of Copilot. Still 70 to 80% work has been done by Copilot, and the rest of the work we need to fix the connections. We need to do some changes in case there is some error. Okay, so that's all for this session, and that's it. How easy it is to create a flow using Power Automate Copilot. If this got you excited about automation and you want to master Power Automate step by step, including real world use case, advanced flows, check out my Power Automate complete course, link in the description below. If these tutorials helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.